What happens down in Haiti? What happens down in Haiti? So anything that you see stays down in. Don't run and tell no pa. Somebody scream! Can I leave the stage now, please? I'm looking at these beautiful Haitian ladies, and I'm thinking about one of them having my babies. Do we have any single ladies in here tonight? Do we have any sexy ladies in here tonight? Do we have any independent ladies in here tonight? Do we have any Madame Papa in here tonight? Let me hear you scream! Madame Papa, Madame Papa, teeth, somebody scream! Rancho, let's go! Hey! To all the ladies in the dance, help me sing this one if you know. Sing! Before the will that song. Talk to me, sing it out. You know what? Talk to me, and I'm so. Somebody scream! Hold on. I've got to touch a little new one for you before I go to this one. I just put out a new tune a few months ago. It's already over 1 million views on YouTube. Produced by Black Shadow Records. I gotta give you a taste. It's called Tipsy. Let's go. Speed it up. Let's go. DJ Rude Boy. Let's go. Yeah. I want you to get to know this one. Sexy in front of me. Must admit that I like what I see. The way you dance, when you whine. I just wanna come up from behind. I know your body nice and close. Make sure everybody knows. Please, I see you. Get to know this one. Yeah. I said tonight I'm not drinking, but watching these girls got me thinking. None of my friends say I'm wasted. Can't even lie, I done cause you girl. You wanna go with it too. When you turn out you deep behind. We not somebody scream. Bring the big one for the ladies, let's do it. We took this all the way to the top of the Billboard charts because of you. All my Caribbean ladies, my Haitian ladies, yeah. To all the ladies in. If you know this one, help me sing along. Yeah. I lose all the sexy ladies, let me hear you scream. I want to see if you remember this one. Orlando. Yeah. I lose all control when I see you standing there in front of me. Your style, your clothes, your hair, your flair, Haitian girl, you're so sexy. The way you whine and when you dance and the way that you twist and turn your ways. Leaves me wanting, leaves me yearning. I want you to help me sing this one, Orlando. Sing. Before the. You sound so beautiful. Sing. I wanna. Ladies, you know. I'm gonna hire some of you. You sound so nice. And I'm so. Everybody, sing it out. Tempted to touch, tempted to touch. And the color man, yes, I need you so much. Tempted to touch, tempted to touch. Patient girl, there's something inside your clutch. Tempted to touch, tempted to touch. And the color man, yes, I need you so much. tempted to touch, tempted to touch. You gotta touch me, baby, you gotta touch me. Huh? You gotta squeeze the nipple, baby, you gotta, oh my God, She just squeezed my willy. It's only fair if you squeeze me there, I've gotta squeeze your back, baby. Run the tune, let's go! Surround your lodge to all the ladies in the dance. Turn up the music louder, let's go! Hey! I lose all control when I see you standing there. Your style, your clothes, your hair, your flow, woman, you look so sexy. The way you wind up, when you dance and the way that you twist and turn your waist. Leaves me wanting, leaves me yearning. Everybody sing it out! Before the end of the night. Say what? I wanna hold you so tight. Talk to me, talk to me. You know I want you so much. I can't hear you. And I'm so tempted to touch. Everybody, sing it out. Tempted to touch, tempted to touch. I know and I need you so much. Tempted to touch, tempted to touch. I know and I'm inside your touch. Tempted to touch, tempted to touch. I know and I need you so much. Somebody, anybody, everybody, scream! I can leave the stage now. Are you tired? Are you sleepy? Do you still have energy? Are you ready to go home? Say yes. Go home. I want to see if you still got energy. Let's go, road boy. Whoa! Look at people. You make me wanna jump around the place. I want to bend my waist. We're not. Ça passe, ça passe. Somebody scream! I want to see if you really know soca music right now, because that just now was 90%. Let me see. Rude boy, see if you know this one. Let me see if you know this one, DJ Rude boy. Come. Let me see your raise your arms. What? Put them in the air. Say what? Put them in the air. Hey, let's go. Hey, I want to see you jump. Get ready. I want to see you jump. I want to see you jump. Get ready to jump up. Get ready to jump. 1, 2, 3, jump. Jump and let them see. Love and unity. One big family. Hey, Trey! Yo, watch me balancing. Watch me balancing. Hey! I want to see if you really know soca music. 1, 2, 3. One more time, let's go. Ça passe, ça passe. Madam Papa. Somebody scream. Hey T, I love you so much. Orlando, I love you. Have a wonderful night. Say yeah, yeah.